Very good.
My name is Shweta Babu. My father is my mother is my class teacher. I school in my like I love my school. So around now, a common experiences for us from us. When mosquito are shooting.
Very good.
Very good.
My name is Aditya. I study class 6. My topic is life cycle of India. A seed grows into young plant and matters to produce flower and fruit. The fruit is in this case what contains seed which give life
Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
साइलेंट हो जाइए, बात नहीं खत्म होता है।
थैंक यू। ऊपर करिए थोड़ा। आवाज़ क्यों कम हो गई? और थोड़ा आगे करिए माइक को। हाँ, थैंक यू। और ऊपर करिए थोड़ा थोड़ा, और ऊपर करिए। अलग अलग करिए, थोड़ा दूर करिए उनको।
Teacher plant are carnivorous plant. सर इसमें नाइट्रोजन की कमी होती है इसलिए ये चेक करता है।
डोंट टॉक। जो बात करेगा
ये ग्लास फ्रिज में है। जब सन की रे इस पर पड़ती है तो ये 7 अलग अलग रंगों में बढ़ जाता है। इसको फिग्योर कहते हैं, जैसे वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो। और फ्रिज में एक कई प्रकार के जब हमारी आंखें इसे एक साथ मिलकर सफ़ेद रंग में देख सकती है, लेकिन वायुमंडल के कारण ये हमें पीला तथा नारंगी दिखाई देता है। थैंक यू।
daily force pressure on the knee circuit is called instrumenta. Function of two instrumenta: helping assistant, helping translation. Assistant text. My name is Salia Banu. My father name is Mr. Muhammad Hussain. My mother name is Asma Banu. My study is my school name is Amara Public School. My topic is instrumenta. The daily force present on the surface of the is called instrumenta. Two functions of instrumenta: having gaseous exchange and free transpiration. Gaseous exchange takes carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Transpiration means can't have too much water in it, so the God says open the instrumenta and release water transformed into vapor. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Rajesh. My father name is Abdul. My mother name is Savannah. I am in class 7. My topic is photosynthesis. Plants take water from soil and CO2 from environment in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll from air and release oxygen and water from what is photosynthesis.
Thank you. Vardesh.
ये मानव जनन तंत्र जिसमें अंडाशय, फैलोपियन गर्भाशय और योनि मुख्य अंग है और ये निषेचन के लिए रास्ता देती है और मासिक धर्म चक्र के लिए आवश्यक होती है। ये अंडाशय यहाँ ये है, यहाँ पर अंडाणु और निषेचन होता है। गर्भाशय ये एक आकार का होता है जो भ्रूण बनता है और एक योनि जो मासिक धर्म चक्र के लिए मार्ग देता है।
Thank you.
SI plus magnesium for oceans. Metal is concentrated and not concentrated.
Very good.
Very good.
My name is Suryana. I'm student class 8. My school name is Ahmad. My body is human heart. The heart is a little organ which beats continuously and works for transfer of blood of our body. The heart has 4 chambers: the 2 upper chamber are called artery and the 2 lower chamber are called ventricle. Its function is transfer of blood. It is a muscular organ. The heart is sound, is loved up, and its located is chest.
Thank you.
Very good.
Hello, I am student of class 6. My school name is Rahman and Public School. My model is from to grade. The from to grade is to count the various process involved in creating the from to grade.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Story of
बहुत अच्छे।
वेरी गुड।
My name is Rupal Sharma. I study class 6. My school is Jammal Public School, Madhapur. My model is the seed germination. Germination is the process by which the seed envelope brings growth. A seed is considered to have germinate its embryonic root. Waiting for a seed pod. Many cotton crops are grown in a seed. Soya bean, corn, cotton, and vegetables are started from seeds. Seed germination is a complex process that brings a condition are forever are a shrub produced is a seed which once that immediately for the condition forever a seed can germinate. Thank you.
Very good.
Very good.
My name is Abhishek. My father name is Amoeba. Amoeba is a single life projection. Its body pseudopodia and amoeba is microscopic single cell and amoeba may constantly change shape and position. Thank you.
Human have the eye, the human eye is different color, brown.
चलने दीजिए। 3 बजे का आदेश।
Very good.
What's your topic?
Photosynthesis.
The process of photosynthesis plant.
The sun has given the plant energy. Animal and human release carbon dioxide and absorb the plant.
नेक्स्ट। थैंक यू। में करो शॉर्ट, सबको टाइम नहीं है।
My topic is human digestion system. सर ये खाने को पचाने का कार्य करता है।
ये क्या है भाई इधर इनका है? थोड़ा उनको भी उनका पूरा आना चाहिए ना।
रासायनिक प्रक्रिया और उसके प्रकार। रासायनिक प्रक्रिया क्या होती है? रासायनिक प्रक्रिया एक से अधिक पदार्थ।
चलिए ठीक है, याद करिए थोड़ा।
My name is Mohammad Farhan. I live in Rajasthan. My topic is extraction of metal coulomers. टॉपिक के बारे में बताइए। Those are minerals from which metal are extracted. Every metals are ore, but all minerals are not ore.
आइए।
My name is Mohammad Anis. I am from class 10. My topic is all major types chemical reaction and equation. And my first chemical reaction and equation is combination reaction. Combination reaction is that two or more simple substances to form a new substance. Thank you.
Microscopic single cell organism found and pond water. Amoeba constantly change its shape and position.
रख दें तो उसमें करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा, जिसकी वजह से बल्ब नहीं जलेगा। और वही कोई आयरन जैसे कि हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं तो ट्रांसफर तो से बल्ब जलेगा।
दोनों हाथों में पकड़े रहो।
Amoeba is a unicellular organism. It is found in pond water. It contains small finger-like projection. Its body called cytoplasm or pigment and capturing food particles. Amoeba and
Very good.
There are two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination. The pollen transfer from anther to the stem of a flower is called self-pollination. Cross-pollination. Pollen transfer from anther to the flower of another flower is called cross-pollination. Thank you.
Very good.
My name is Rama. I am in class 8. My class is
सीधा करना और आगे सोलो आगे जाओ।
It is nitrogen cycle. हमारे वायुमंडल में 78% नाइट्रोजन पाया जाता है। This is the drip system. This system is the system water from micro directly near the root. Near the root, what is called the drip system. It is the best technique for which grows larger and trees. So is water not very high. It is called drip system. That is
वाटर ब्लॉक कैसे वर्क करता है जरा बताइए।
क्या है ये?
ड्रिप सिस्टम करता है, जैसे जड़ में सीधा पानी जाता है, इससे पौधा
ड्रिपिंग सिस्टम है। अच्छा अच्छा, इरिगेशन सिस्टम है। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे। क्लैप करिए सब लोग। बहुत अच्छे।
My school name is MRM Public School, Matlapur, Jaunpur. My topic is male reproductive organ. This is the male reproductive organ in these two include in this sperm and penis, in this testis, in this human body, and cellular testis, two sperm, head.
Very good. Yes, frog life cycle. Model. Explain it.
Eggs, tadpole with 2 legs, tadpole with 4 legs. Last process, frog.
Thank you.
Very good.
My father name is Bidor. My mother name is Sana. I read class 7. My school name is Sarmara Public School, Matlapur, Jaunpur. My topic is human respiratory system. Start from your mouth, moving through the trapping and the smart trophy and finally in the two belly area is far big in love.
My novel is about nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism which was first discovered by Roger von Rosenfeld in 1757. It is found in pond water and cannot be seen by naked eyes. Amoeba have fungal-like projection called pseudopodia. Through the help of pseudopodia, it obtains its food and have more bacteria and cytoplasm that help in breakdown of complex substances into simpler substrate, and undigested food was removed through the process of digestion.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा.
My name is Ekta Yadu. I am a student class 10. Our model based on electric circuits. Component symbols: electric cells, batteries, switch, open and close, bulb, wire. Electric cells represented negative terminal and positive terminals. Positive terminals is longer and negative terminals is smaller. Batteries combinations of cells. Closed electric circuits. The straight path of closed so can current flow. Open electric circuit. The break of circuit so can not current flow. Thank you.
Very good.
Student of class 10. My school name is MRM Public School मथुरापुर जौनपुर. हम एक ग्लास लेंगे, उसमें पानी लेंगे, उसमें जल का घोल बना लेंगे, फिर उसमें 2 टेस्ट ट्यूब डालेंगे, एक ऑपोजिट का एक नेगेटिव का. ऑपोजिट में ऑक्सीजन का गैस होगा और नेगेटिव में हाइड्रोजन का गैस. इधर इसमें करंट फ्लो होगा तो इसके जल के अणु आपस में टूटे तो हमें बुलबुले जैसे दिखाई देते हैं. थैंक यू.
वेरी गुड.
वेरी गुड.
नहीं, ये दूसरा है.
आपका दूसरा है. थोड़ा सा इसको ये इनका पकड़िए, बोलेंगे. बोलिए.
My name is Afish Bano. I am a student of class 10. मेरा सवाल मैं प्रतिवर्ती चाप के बारे में बोलना चाहती हूँ. प्रतिवर्ती चाप वह तंत्रिका मार्ग है जो किसी उद्दीपक से और जैसे गतिविधि को पूरी पर तुरंत हाथ उठाने को जो सूचनाग्राही से संवेदना के साथ
वेरी गुड.
I am student of class 6. My school name is MRM Public School Mathurapur Jodhpur. My topic is composition of air. 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen, 1% carbohydrate and other gases. Thank you.
Carbon dioxide. Very good.
My name is Sunil Sharma. I am attending class 9. My school name is MRM Public School Mathurapur. My topic मैग्नेटिक कंपास. मैग्नेटिक कंपास मतलब ये जो पृथ्वी के जो चुंबकीय भाग होता है वो मतलब पृथ्वी को वो डायरेक्शन करता है.
पोल को
My topic is protein. Protein are also important of our body milk product and persons. Sources of protein, large sources of protein, nuts, peas, and wheat. Animal sources of protein, meat, paneer, and fish.
वेरी. हाँ, सबको करवाना है. कितना टाइम है? 50. चलिए 2:30 छुट्टी करेंगे.
जरूरी है बच्चे
रोज थोड़ी करनी है.
लोगों को बैठा जैसे खड़े
Important parts of our body. People.
हाँ नहीं सही है.
People get
थोड़ा रहेंगे उसमें क्या
protein.
यही कह.
अभी वो 1.5, 2, 3 घंटे खड़े रहेंगे, आप बैठ जाएंगे.
People get and protein. Born.
थैंक यू.
My topic name is solar system.
वेरी गुड.
My name is Prince Yadav. I
ऊपर
read
करिए.
in class 6.
और ऊपर करो.
My topic name is solar system. There are 8 solar systems Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, and nature.
Thank you.
बोलिए
My name is Mohammad Kaif. I read in class 8. This is frog life cycle. In 6 process. First egg, second embryo, and third tadpole. Fourth tadpole with 2 legs, fifth tadpole with 4 legs, and last process in frog.
This color temperature is measured by this thermometer. This invented by Galileo in 1950.
To reach those mouth moving rope the brakes and legs voice box the tortoise small tortoise and finally ending tiny air gas is called breath in the lung.